Embrace the natural glow, unveiling the power of DIY skincare. Our kitchens and gardens hold a treasure trove of botanical wonders, each brimming with vitamins, antioxidants, and skin-loving properties. DIY skincare is about embracing this natural bounty, creating personalized concoctions that cater to your unique skin needs. Imagine nourishing your skin with the freshest ingredients, free from harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, and unnecessary additives. DIY skincare allows you to know exactly what you're putting on your skin, giving you complete control over the ingredients and their sources. So whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a curious beginner, join us as we unlock the secrets to radiant skin with easy, accessible, and effective homemade skincare recipes. Kitchen cupboard transformations, easy recipes for radiant skin. Let's dive into the heart of DIY skincare, the recipes. These simple concoctions utilize everyday ingredients found in your pantry. For a gentle exfoliating scrub, combine finely ground oatmeal with a spoonful of honey and a splash of milk or yogurt. Massage onto damp skin in circular motions to remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. Next, we have a nourishing face mask, perfect for all skin types. Mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply evenly to your face and neck, leaving it on for 15-20 minutes. Finally, create a refreshing toner with green tea. Steep a green tea bag in hot water, let it cool, then transfer to a spray bottle and mist your face after cleansing. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, helps protect the skin from environmental damage. Glowing skin, happy planet, sustainable DIY beauty rituals. DIY skincare isn't just about personal well-being, it's also about embracing a more sustainable lifestyle. Start by opting for reusable containers for storing your homemade concoctions. Glass jars, repurposed containers, and metal tins are excellent alternatives to single-use plastic packaging. Consider sourcing your ingredients locally whenever possible. Farmers markets and local health food stores offer fresh, seasonal produce, often with minimal or no packaging. Supporting local farmers reduces transportation emissions and promotes sustainable agricultural practices. Embrace the concept of less is more in your DIY skincare routine. Focus on a few essential recipes that address your specific skin concerns. Section 4. Nature's Bounty. Choosing the right ingredients for your skin type. Just like conventional skincare, DIY recipes should be tailored to your skin type. For oily skin, ingredients like lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and tea tree oil work wonders. Their astringent properties help control excess oil production, while their antibacterial nature combats blemishes. Dry skin thrives on ingredients rich in moisturizing and nourishing properties. Honey, avocado, yogurt, and aloe vera are excellent choices. Sensitive skin requires gentle and calming ingredients. Chamomile, calendula, and oats are known for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Always patch test new ingredients on a small area of skin before applying them to your face. Understanding your skin's unique needs is key to choosing the right ingredients for optimal results. Use these ingredients sparingly, as excessive use can dry out the skin. Section 5. A journey to radiant skin consistency and patience in DIY skincare. Embarking on a DIY skincare journey is like embarking on any journey of self-improvement. It requires consistency and patience. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of DIY skincare. Incorporate your chosen recipes into your daily or weekly routine. Patience is equally vital. Don't expect to see miraculous results overnight. Natural ingredients work gently and subtly. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process. DIY skincare is a form of self-care, a time to connect with yourself and nourish your skin with nature's goodness. Embrace the small victories along the way, celebrating each step towards healthier, more radiant skin. Section 6. Embrace the natural glow. Reaping the rewards of DIY skincare. As you continue on your DIY skincare journey, you'll begin to notice a newfound radiance in your skin. One of the most noticeable benefits is a healthier, more vibrant complexion. By providing your skin with the nutrients it needs, you'll notice a natural glow that radiates from within. Beyond the visible improvements, DIY skincare fosters a deeper connection with nature and a greater awareness of the ingredients you're putting on your skin. Embrace the process, experiment with different ingredients, and enjoy the transformative power of nature's touch.